the 21st century and reap the benefits of mobile technology in your food and beverage business. Just a few generations ago, all sales were handled by manual paperwork, including calculating totals by hand. Then came the mechanical cash register, followed by electronic registers that could easily adjust to sales tax changes. By the late 1980s, personal computer-based point-of-sale systems finally brought capabilities beyond a calculator and a money drawer. Well, it's time to take the next step and fully benefit from mobile device technology with Genius Point of Sales. It's our unparalleled solution to the needs of food and beverage businesses. Our system uses light and ever-so-portable iPads and their stable and secure iOS software to bring together and streamline your needs and processes for ordering, main cashier, kitchen and bar printer, and business information collection. Why Genius Point of Sales? Apple tablets and our software work together to provide extensive mobile ordering capabilities for food and beverage establishments while still being easy to use. So easy that many customers could even place their orders themselves. With Genius Point of Sales, you won't be tied down to network or phone connections and won't be dealing with unreliable Wi-Fi. You'll even be able to glide through a power outage, and one-click backups can be kept off-site should disaster strike. Right off the bat, you'll save waitstaff time lost writing down orders and running them to the kitchen and bar. Complex orders, including discounts, rewards, and loyalty programs, can be handled right at the table with less confusion and far fewer problems. Genius Point of Sales collects extensive information on orders by time of day, staff member, and customers, and then generates simple real-time reports. You streamline your business and increase profits when you use that data to manage operations and inventory, and then fine-tune your offerings and processes. Thanks to Apple's hardware, networking, and operating system software, it all works reliably with no downtime. Other than a few iPads, you probably already have all the hardware you need. There's no need to upgrade a PC, and you don't even have to have an internet connection. That keeps the cost of adding in all these capabilities very low. Yes, this is what I need. And yes, you can have all these capabilities at a very affordable price. Your staff will be fully up to speed in no time for immediate benefits. We've already helped so many diners, food franchises, food courts, and even food trucks with our superb point-of-sales food and beverage software. With a long list of established clients, just ask us for their testimonials. Genius Point of Sales is amazingly easy to use, effective, secure, and affordable. Contact us today for full details, and you could see the benefits in your bottom line next week.